Skill number 7. Quotation from web pages. Using the Citavi picker, we can very easily excerpt quotations from web pages. Here, I am going to highlight the desired text, then right-click the highlighted text and click Add Reference and add selection as quotation. Click OK, and then I go back to Citavi. Citavi is going to create a brand new reference item for that, and I am now going to rewrite the core statement. Since this is a direct quotation, I am going to enclose it using the upper quotation marks, and then I click on OK. Now I have one direct quotation as a knowledge item for this particular reference. Now I want to preview it. I click on the Show in Preview pane. Now it is opening up the web page. This is going to take a little time. Now I am interested in adding another quotation from within the same web page, so I select a passage, right-click on it, and then choose Citavi Picker and then choose Add Selection as Quotation. This choice is going to allow me to have this quotation within the same reference. Here you see that another quotation have been created within the same reference. So I'm going to have this as another direct quotation or a blue highlight. I recreate or rewrite the core statement. Do not forget to have the direct quotation within the upper quotation marks and then click OK. Now I have two direct quotation for the same web page. Now the same web page can be saved as PDF for later reference so that I have a copy of the web page at all times. This is going to take a little time. Now, a PDF document for that web page is created.